How to enable or disable StorageSense in Windows 11. Running low on disk space or managing cleanup across multiple devices? StorageSense is a built-in Windows 11 feature designed to automate disk cleanup. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable it based on your needs. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is StorageSense? StorageSense is a Windows 11 feature that frees up disk space by automatically deleting unnecessary data such as temporary files, recycle bin items, and outdated cloud-backed content. When managed properly, this feature can offer significant benefits to your device, including optimizing your hard drive's health and performance, as well as enhancing storage space management. However, some users and admins prefer to clean up their storage manually, as this feature, when left unsupervised, can remove files that users or organizations may prefer to manage manually. Thus, it is crucial for users to know how to enable or disable StorageSense. Here are several recommended methods to achieve this. Methods to enable or disable StorageSense. The first and most user-friendly method is through Settings. Open Settings and navigate to System, Storage. Under Storage Management, select StorageSense and simply toggle it on or off. If you have specific preferences, you can even configure its cleanup schedule. The next four methods we'll discuss are ideal for enterprise environments that wish to deploy configurations across multiple devices. Let's begin with Group Policy Editor. Run gpedit.msc and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, StorageSense. Find and double-click on Allow StorageSense and set it to Enabled, Disabled, or Not Configured. Click Apply, then OK, and apply changes by running gpupdate/force in command prompt. For more granular control of StorageSense, use the Registry Editor. Run Registry Editor and navigate to HKey, Local Machine, \software, \policies, \Microsoft, \Windows, \StorageSense. Find or create the dword value named Allow StorageSense Global and set it to 1 to enable or 0 to disable. Close the registry editor and then restart your system to apply the changes. For automated deployment, use PowerShell. Simply use this command to enable or this command to disable. Finally, to deploy predefined settings, run a .reg file. Open Notepad and use this predefined registry script to enable or this script to disable. Save it as a .reg file and don't forget to name them properly. Then run it with admin privileges. With StorageSense, you can manage your disk space according to your preferences. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable StorageSense in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.